Thought I'd bring you along with me and show you some cool things. So Michael's Canada apparently is rearranging their stores. And I saw these. I think they're so cute. They're like an iron-on, and then you do you see that? It's like a diamond dart. Never seen these before. That's very cool. A few different choices for you. Thought those are very cool. And they've moved all the yarn and everything over onto this end, which is handy. And then all the embroidery floss and everything. But look at, they have fabric. So, oh, look at the butterflies. Red Deer doesn't have, well, we have a fabric store, but oh my gosh, look at, our fabric land closed out of Red Deer, and so there wasn't really a lot of choices. So now, oh, that's it though. Okay, well, I mean, it's not a whole bunch, but it's better than nothing. It's nice to know we have a few options now in here. Oh my goodness, look at these chickens. My sister would love those. Oh, and the puppies. Very nice. I came in here looking for a straw hat, like a straw cowboy hat. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find one or not, but I will try. I may have to ask somebody. Oh, of course, all the spring stuff is coming out. Oh, those are cool. They're chalk holders. Very cool. Rocket screamer. Those are fun. You load it up and shoot it. I'll probably get foiped for this music here. Oh, look at that. A baton. Oh my gosh, look at. That's awesome. So this is where the yarn used to be, was back in here. And so now, this is all craft supplies and stuff. And you can do stained glass. Oh, look at these. They're pixelated. That's kind of fun. Something different. Up here, they're coming out with cool stuff. And then these are, oh, this is vinyl for the cricket. Oh, this is their clearance section at the back of the store. Sometimes you find some cool stuff back here. You just have to watch. Oh, look at these. Aren't they just the cutest? We got them on for $3. They're cute. And then all the woodworking stuff and painting stuff. I'm still not seeing any straw hats, but oh, and this is where all the, oh, like the sculpty stuff. And of course, painting, canvases. And then I'm assuming this is, yeah, silicone molds for doing epoxy. Oh, look at, that's for making dominoes, yeah. It's so cool what you can do with all this stuff. But I'm focusing today. I'm only going to buy what I came here for. I have a craft room full of stuff that I need to do something with. So all the paints. Oh, and these are paint by numbers. That's very cool. And then you get the frame. That's very cool. And then, of course, all the Crayola stuff. Oh, these are all on sale too. Oh, these are fun. You know, I have a girls' weekend coming up. I should buy some of these and some little shooter cups. Oh my gosh, and I could personalize them. Oh, I might have to do that. I have blue and a hot pink and a teal. Okay, we might have to do this. And a purple back there and a night blue. Okay, I think I might have to do this. How many colors do we have? So that's 4. It's okay if we duplicate them, right? That's the pink. I'm short, so I'm having trouble seeing here. There's more on the other side. Yeah, okay. So let's do this. I didn't bring a bag or anything with me, of course. So that's 2. Wow, that's actually like a green teal, but it shows blue on screen. That's 2, 3, 4, and then I guess we'll have to duplicate some of the colors. So let's do another purple, another pink. There's 6 of us going, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I think those will be fun. So I'll take them home and I'll personalize them, and then I'll buy some little bottles to go with it, and that'll be fun. So all the diamond art stuff. So see, I said I wasn't going to buy anything, and look at, here I am buying something. Well, these are cute little plants that, you know, stay alive forever. Okay, well, I'm getting to the end of the store and I don't see what I'm looking for. All the plants, all the pretty flowers and stuff. Look at those ones up there. Those are gorgeous. Oh, the spring mix is on for 50% off. Oh, maybe it's up in here. Let's go down here. These are beautiful. If you needed some vases for something, look, and they have the silver rim on the top. They're very pretty. Oh, and look at that cowboy hat print. I like that. It's beautiful. Oh, and look at this blue stuff back here. It's gorgeous. I love all the blue in the old scale. It'd be a nice decorative piece. Oh, and here's some nice. Oh, they're bead. They're like a bead. They're pretty. And the turtles. I like those little turtle planters. They're so cute. All the cushions. All right, let's go around this corner and see. And we have flowers and plants. These wreaths are gorgeous, so. Oh, that one's very pretty. Okay, see if I can give you a better look. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then these are also nice. I don't know where you would hang them. I guess if you were making like an arch for a wedding or something. Well, I've managed to go through the whole store and I don't see any cowboy hats. I did look online and they said that Michael's had them. Maybe it wasn't Michael's Canada. I run into that issue where I will say, oh yeah, they have them here and they have them there. And you go and look and no, it's actually in the States and not in Canada. Strawberries are cute. Could use that as a little pencil holder if you wanted, I guess. It's probably for flowers, but... Oh, and look at these. Aren't they so pretty? They're plastic, but they're oh so pretty. Okay, well, I guess I didn't look over here. Let's go down these aisles. So this is all glass and pots and stuff. I don't need anything from here. And baskets. And down here is all like storage containers, and these are cool. If you needed to put a bunch of things in storage, like look at that. And then you keep them all combined. That's really cool actually. But not what I'm looking for. So let's go down here. Oh gosh, look at these. They're so pretty. Look at how big it is. Oh, that's so pretty. And this is all the candles and candle holders and lighting and stuff. I don't need that. Oh, what's down here? Maybe down here? Well, we have all the styrofoam stuff on this side. This is all like different, like burlap and twine. Oh, look at these. Look at those. Aren't they just gorgeous? So pretty. I love anything that sparkles. Oh, and here's a bunch of stuff. Different beads and stuff if you're doing a project. And they're on clearance, so that's pretty neat. That's good. But that's not... Oh, look at all the seashells down here. Anyways... And then into the plant stuff and into the hot glue guns. Now, this is where I bought my glue gun. I can put a link to the video below. Let's see if they have it still. It was a precision tip, it's called. I don't see it now. It's a really fine tip. It's so nice. It's mini glue guns. See, I mean, these are great too. They just have the bigger ends, whereas this one has a real fine tip, so it allows you to put your glue down in a smaller or more confined area, smaller area. Anyways, I don't see it here now, but I will link the video down below for you. Well, I think I'm done. Well, there was just workers down there talking, so I didn't want to go down there. And this is all the different mesh and stuff. I wonder if I could make my own cowboy hat. I just need it for a project. I crocheted one years ago for a lady for her baby. It was so darn cute. And that's it. That's all. So I have made it down every aisle in here, and I have not found a cowboy hat of any shape or form, way, shape, or form. Oh, well. Okay, well, that is... Oh, do you want to see some of the Easter stuff? I think they still have it over here. Oh, yeah. See? Look at all the Easter stuff. Well, these are fun. They're craft eggs. They're styrofoam, and you can paint them. And then the baskets, and oh, some more crafts to paint up. These are kind of pretty, eh? Very pretty. Oh, no, it's beautiful stand. A clay, when it's glass. It's a cake stand. And all the different pasta stuff. Look at this. That's very cool, huh? It's a pasta dish. Get it? You can pasta dish. Ha 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 ha. These are always fun. Reading cushions. Oh, look at that, eh? A glass tabletop desk. And some stuff over here. Oh, and look at these little chicks. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And look at the bunnies. Well, I think I'm going to close off for now. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of a tour at Michael's in Canada. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. Bye.